Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you what you can do to receive a WhatsApp verification code if you did not receive it while registering a new number. So first of all, you can try this option that says call me instead of sending an SMS. So this will call you in your number and an automated voice will tell you the 6-digit code. If this still doesn't work, then you can resort to another solution, that is you will have to open your web browser and then type in WhatsApp contact. Once you search this, the first thing that shows up is contact WhatsApp. You tap on it and then you will have to input your phone number, put your email address and confirm it. Then you will choose the device that you're using right now, and then you will have to write a short prompt or a message to the team like I've done here. You can see it says, "Hi team, I'm facing an issue with the WhatsApp verification process. I did not receive the verification code to complete the registration. I've checked my connectivity, restarted my device, but the problem persists. Kindly assist me with resolving this matter as soon as possible. Thank you." So you can write something similar to this and then send this to the WhatsApp team. But because WhatsApp team might have a high volume of requests, it might take some time for them to get back to you, so you will have to wait. Once you do that, hopefully they will bring a solution to you and find a way to get the verification code sent to you. And after all of this, this might solve the problem, and then you might get the verification code if you contact the WhatsApp team. Thank you for watching.